All right, let's get up in it. Sunday Fun Day 2015 Leaf Clear Triple Box Break 101. And that's 10:46 Eastern Standard Time. Good to have you guys on board. We got National Treasures coming up directly after this. This should be a 5-minute break at best. We got AD's going to be posting up the hits on the forum directly after this. Good to see you all up in here. Russ, Dan, JP, Health, Coach. There's Tab, Rhino, Dan, Stevie, Bob, Jamie, LaBeezy, Jamie, E. Rubio. I like it. All right, here we go. So triple box, 5 hits in a box. Let's get something here. Anybody feeling a Melvin? Anybody? These so that we can see them. All right. So you got Marcus Golden. Oh, I know. AM Cowboys. I wanted to like scream at the dude from Apple because I was like, "You guys understand that they're." Here's what I wanted to tell him. I'm gonna be like, "Dude, you're gonna tell me that my app isn't unique, but yet there's an application that makes fart noises, and you're gonna say that you're gonna go ahead and just put a big old stamp of approval on that one? Come on, dude. Gosh, dang it. All right, next you got Landon Collins. So Landon Collins, and then you got Jesse James. What? That doesn't make me. What? Yeah. So Jesse James. And then you got Sammy Coates. I like this last one. Hey, boy. Here we go. How about 1 out of 10? This little guy here. How about Amari Cooper? 1 out of 10. Hey, Russ, you know exactly what to do, man. Get it graded. Dude, this stuff is unbelievably gradable. Just like this. Amari Cooper. 1 out of 10. Come on, Russ. Nice hit, brother. State Pride, 1 out of 10. I'll take it. Now, they won't let it up yet because it has to meet certain criterias. Because a lot of what the app is used for, it's used for notifications. Like on Droid, like Stevie sent me a message today. He's like, Brian, I didn't know we were doing Sunday night breaks until I got an alert on my phone. So I was like, oh, that's weird because it's useful. So you're telling me that the app sending out alerts is useful. But Apple is weirdos. So anyway, here's Danny Shelton. Soon enough. Don't believe me. We'll get it. We'll get it squared away. Danny Shelton. We had to appeal it like 3 times. It's unbelievable. All right, next. Cody Fajardo, 24 out of 25. Then you got Alvin Dupree. Or is that Bud? Alvin Dupree. Next. Devontae Parker. That's actually a nice little hit. So Devontae Parker. And then, how about another short print? 1 out of 15, Bryce Petty. So those Jets getting a little love there. E. Rubio. Getting a Bryce Petty 1 out of 15. One of those leaf clear crystal ball there. All right, so last box in here. First hit is going to be Jeremy Langford. Then you got Clive Walford. Been seeing him all night. Get out of here, Clive. So Clive Walford. Then you got Kason Williams, 9 out of 10. Kason Williams. Then you got a Nelson Aguilar. Somebody was just calling that out. Rhino was. There he is, right there for you, bub. Flipadelphia. And see, listen, Rhino, all you had to do is just call it out, player. And then last hit is Stefan Diggs, 9 out of 10. So not too bad though with a lot of the short print stuff. Got some of the got that nice Amari Cooper in there too. So that ain't bad. Those hits are going to be posted up on the 4